Hey everybody, Cam Wright and I are here with Forest River Impression. Today we're going to be showing you our brand new floor plan, the 235RW. This floor plan is actually going to be the smallest floor plan in all the Impression lineup, coming in dry weight around 7,100 pounds and the hitch weight coming in around 1,300. Heading into the main area, which is going to be entering through the rear of this 235RW, you're going to see the biggest feature that this unit has to have. Even though it is smaller, it's going to provide the best view of your campsite or the view of the lake or wherever you're at. With that, we have two large panoramic windows that are all opening, so the cross breeze through here is going to be great. One of the unique features that we have as far as eating and getting a better view of that site is we include two bar stools, as well as this L-shaped bar here to be able to look out, enjoy that morning coffee. As we head on over, you'll see we do have our farmhouse pull-down faucet with our farmhouse sink, cabinets down below, as well as cabinets up above. So one of the unique things about this floor plan, even though it is so small, it does include an ample amount of storage throughout the unit. Heading over here to more of your cooking area, you will have standard again on every single one of our floor plans will be our 3-burner cooktop, as well as a stove, pantry down below to match that whole setup in the microwave. With our fridge here, we do include a 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. One of the nice things about having this 12-volt refrigerator in the smaller unit, this is going to tie directly into your solar package. As we walk on over to more of the entertainment area, you'll see we do include a theater seat, which does include a arm here with USBs. So anything you want to charge while you're watching TV, it's great to do that there. On all of our 2023 models, we do include blackout curtains. Now the one nice thing about this is it is very similar to the blackout shades we did in previous years, so you will not see any sun coming through there, and it does add a nice aesthetic to the unit. As we head on over across from the theater seating, you will see our entertainment center. Included in this entertainment center is our 40-inch TV. You'll have a dual zone Furrion soundbar, as well as a 5500 BTU fireplace. Now the one nice thing about that fireplace is it does heat up a smaller unit very well, so if you're not wanting to run your heat, that's great for some of the cooler months. Probably the biggest feature on this unit is the amount of storage that I've touched on. Included in this is the hidden storage. So in here you'll have 3 pantry shelves, as well as storage boxes, and even an area where you can hang coats or anything like that. For heating and cooling in this unit, as well as all other Impressions, standard we include one 15K AC unit by Coleman Mach, as well as a 35,000 BTU furnace. We also do include a second AC prep, which would be a 13.5 if they so choose. Heading up to the front of the coach, you will see, as well as on all of our other floor plans, our open stair concept, which will include area for anything like shoes or any other extra storage down below, as well as aesthetically pleasing. As we take a step into the bathroom now, you're going to see we do include a vanity mirror, as well as storage in that as well as down below. You will see our sink and our porcelain foot flush toilet. One of the things within our shower that's a little bit unique about how we do things at Impression, we do include a plywood base underneath the shower, which is going to help provide more support and stability when you're taking a shower. As we head on up to the master bedroom, first thing you're going to notice are 60 by 80 true queen size bed. On both sides of the bed, it will include foldable hanging shelves for you to put any clothes or anything like that, as well as small storage down below. We also have USB and 110 outlets on each side of the bed. One of the unique things, again, with all of Impression floor plans, as you'll see, is we do include an automotive windshield, so the natural light coming in through this bedroom is going to be great. In the 60 by 80 true queen size bed, we do include storage down below. Open that up and you will see that there's ample amounts of room so you can add any extra clothes or storage or things like that. One of the unique features Impression has on every single lineup, even the smaller ones as we touched on with this one, is it does include a washer and dryer prep. So with these removable pantries, take those out, put in your stackable washer dryer prep, and you're good to go. As we look outside here, we're taking a look at some of the top exterior features the 235RW has to offer. Starting with the front cap. We actually use a gel coat front cap for all of our front caps at Impression. So what that means is as time goes on, you'll see some caps start to fade and oxidize. With this gel coat, you're not going to see that change colors over time. With our Rhino pin box, the reason we chose to go with this pin box is it actually supports our frame. So with our frame, it's a space saver upper deck, which basically means within our unit, it increases the head height in the bedroom, and in the front living, it increases that as well. So with this unit, as you walk into the bedroom, one of the things you'll notice is it's a fully walk around queen size bed. As we head on over here, take a look at the outdoor kitchen. We'll include a mini fridge as well as a griddle cooktop. With all of our 2023 models, we will be including standard our solar package. Our solar package includes a 30 amp charge controller as well as a 100-watt roof solar panel. Now with that solar panel, you can plug and play up to 500 watts, all on that 30 amp charge controller. Standard on all the Impression units, again, is our Goodyear Endurance tires, which is 87 mile/hour speed rated, as well as 1-year warranty through our supplier Lion's Head. As we go on the outside, as we get into some of the colder months, what's going to be real important that's standard on all the Impression lineup is we do provide a heated and enclosed accessibility. So what that means is we will have 12-volt heat pads on all your tanks that will automatically flip on and once it gets to a certain temperature, so it's no worry to you guys, as well as a direct heat duct that goes in there that will heat up everything. As far as the accessibility goes, what that is it's basically if any maintenance is needed underneath the coach, you'll pop off a couple screws, drop that panel down, and do any maintenance you're needed to do. If you guys have any questions or want to look at other Impression floor plans, head to our website at forestroverinc.com/impression.